Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with a barbecue chicken breast. This is a best recipe for people who is looking for a weight loss. So let's see the ingredients. Here I used 300 grams of chicken breast that I cleaned it and dried it. This I'm going to transfer to an aluminium foil paper. I'm going to tenderize the chicken. So keep another paper on top of this and bang with a rolling pin. It is done now. The meat is flattened and tender. So now I am pricking with the help of a fork so that all the marination will go into the meat. Into another plate I am adding half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, required amount of salt. Here I used pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix everything together. Don't add extra water into this. This lemon juice is sufficient to make it as a paste. Add chicken into this and coat with the masala. If you don't have onion powder and garlic powder at home, you can try in some supermarket. It is easily available, or you can try online. If you don't want these two options, then you can substitute this with the ginger garlic paste. I am covering this with a polythene sheet and marinate for 30 minutes. Check the salt after 30 minutes because the meat will absorb salt during marination, so better to check before you cook. If you don't want to marinate, directly you can go to cooking process. I am doing this on my barbecue stove. You can do this in normal pan or a grill pan. So switch it on and brush some oil to prevent sticking under the grill. Place the chicken on the grill. Chicken breast has very less cooking time. It hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes. Turn the chicken in every 2 minutes and cook until done. And if you're doing in pan, follow the same procedure. So it is done now. I'm transferring this into a serving plate. You can squeeze a lemon before serving. Try this at home and see how it is. And please subscribe to my channel. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.